All right, peace, love, and light, beautiful people, and welcome to a lock video. Ooh, sad to say, it is time that I release my long, thick, beautiful braids. As cute as they still may be, I know, right? Like, my braid is the best. Timmy did that. The time that I take these out, it's been my last, I can't remember how long it's been since when I started my micro lock journey. When I first initially installed them, I initially installed them on the 12th of February. Today it is the 6th of April, so yeah, I think we passed the 6-week mark at this point. It's time. I do see that I need a tightening. Don't judge the nails. I have a mini weekend getaway coming up, and my hair will be back in braids for that. So I'm gonna want to use this this 2 weeks to, just let my locks breathe and all of that. Because when you go on vacation, no one wants to be fussing with their hair. No. So I'm gonna put braids back in until then, and I don't care what anyone says. It's my hair, my life, my journey. Yeah, so enough talking. Let's get into it. So, braids out. All right. I am back, washed. Did start with the braids. Some of them did come out like this one just a little bit, but we'll fix that. I'm gonna fix that. They would be non-existent right about now. I'm gonna make sure you guys get a good enough view. Right now my hair just looks super curly, so when I am retwisting, retightening, I believe you will be able to see more of what we're actually dealing with. So here is my journey to, I'm gonna put on my favorite anime and let's do this. My lock tool, retightening tool. It's my first time using one like this. I got my work because I'm not putting any product in to my hair, but I'm gonna do the back. I have no camera angle for you to see the back, so you're just gonna have to wait until I reach to the front to see what's going on. Okay. Here I am, y'all. I am 97% finished. Can't see what it looks like right now because I have some loosies in the back. Y'all see the whole change in outfit? It's a different day, people. It's a different day. I started this one day, I'm ending it the next day. Honestly, I can't even say how many hours I literally spent and went into this because it's been a start and stop. I started the night before at 10:30 because I couldn't sleep, and God knows why I decided to start that. Yeah, the earlier part of the video, it's 10:30 in the morning, in the night, 10:30 at night. Stayed up until after 3. Woke up, it was my day off, so I got an hour in before getting busy, watching some animes while doing this, which was trying to live a life. It was very distracting. Oh my God, I honestly can't say how many hours it took. And I am like, what did I sign up for? What did I do? Is this my life now? 2-day reties? Basically like 6-7 hours now. I don't know, maybe because I'm, you know, fairly new, I'm not used to it. I still have to practice, you know, practice makes perfect, get my rhythm down, get my routine down. But as it stands right now, I hate doing this. Oh my god. Oh my god. So much of them unraveled, unloosened. They were combined together. When I took them with the braids, they were like clumped together, and I had to like, oh my god. Some of it would just seem to be like a knot here and then here, and it's just a knot. And I will say, I had to do a lot of hand retying, at least until a certain point, because there was so much hairs that I just looped them through with my fingers. And then when it got small enough, oh my god, it's like I had too much momentum when it was the back. This day went beautifully fast, beautifully quick, like nothing. This part, however, now I see why people charge so much for this service. Because it ain't easy. It ain't easy. It ain't easy, and it's frustrating as well. I left a small patch in the front so you can see my process. These are what's done. Some of them I didn't do as tightly yet. I'm gonna go over like this one. This is one that's not really that tight. I'm gonna add another loop or two. But yeah, but when it's balled up, it just looks like, you know, one. So yeah, this is basically what they look like. To my retie, I am not focus on them being exquisitely neat. My parting, because I'm doing this myself. I'm not using a bunch of mirrors. I don't really care for neat parts. That's me in particular. If you do care about neat parts, you're gonna have someone do this for you, or spend a lot of time in the mirror making sure your parts are even. Me, I don't care. I didn't care when I had thicker locks, big locks, and I don't care when I have small locks about my parting. Oh, well, look at that. Yes, that was awesome. Okay, see how we're looking? Yeah. You guys can see it so much better now. Oh. Goddamn. Come on, people. It's my time to shine. Anyway, yeah, so this is what we're dealing with. And we have 1, 2, 3, 5 to do. Go in at the 12, your 12 or my 12, either way. And then we go in at the 3. Then we do the 6. And then we do the 6. The 6 does not want me to be great. And then we do the 9. All right. See that? If you want to go more, you can just do more with your fingers before using the tool. I have finished my 12 labels, and this one's a little bit slack, but I am the champion. I am the champion. But anyway, Yes, people, micro locks are not for the weak. They are not for the impatient, the strong, the determined. Let me see. Oh God, I wish you guys could see a lot better. Yeah. Like I say, they're not perfect, but I'm not worried about perfection. Just worried about getting these girls to lock so that I can be a little bit more relaxed when it comes to fixing this, styling it. My hair is very dry right now. I was spraying, but at some point, I'm just like, fuck it. I got tired of spraying my head. So yeah, guys, this is us. This is we. After our first ever retie. Would you guys believe my camera died on me? Just like that. Just when we were so near the end of this video. But anyway, this is me the next day. I am headed to work and this is how I normally wear my hair. And like I can say, like I've been saying, I love it. I don't think I did too bad for first ever retie. I didn't want it too tight. I didn't want to overstress the hair or the lock. And I like the way it came out. The next time I attempt to retie, I will give you guys some better angles, more than one cameras, better lighting, so that you can see better how I attain my process. My camera angle kind of sucked this video, I'll admit that, so I owe you guys a better one. But for now, here we are, and like I said, I think I did a good job. Alright, until next time, my babies, peace, love, and light. See you at my next video. Bye.